Car coatings are available in different variants. Popular types of coating include diamond coating, glass coating, and ceramic coating. Most ceramic coating is a tried and tested car coating that provides a hydrophobic veneer. That means the water beads up as it hits the surface, taking any buildup of dust and dirt away. The ceramic coating won't break your bank. It is affordable without compromising its quality features. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best ceramic coating for cars. So let's get started. Number 7. Akasi 10H Ceramic Coating. Whether you have a damaged or old car, there's a way to transform its aesthetic value through the best ceramic coating in today's market. Akasi 10H Ceramic Coating is one of the most popular solutions. You should try this 2021. Tailored with an anti-scratch capacity, this product for any paint job has the power to repel UV rays, acid rains, and other hazards. Featuring a pH tolerance of 2 to 12, Akasi 10H has a heat resistance of at least 760 with anti-corrosive properties. The ease of use is another factor that people love. Ideal for those who don't have prior experience, this ceramic coating for cars won't be a headache to utilize and apply. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 6. Sonax Propylene Ceramic Coating. Another semi-permanent, water-repelling, and top-grade ceramic product is Sonax Ceramic Coating Propylene. Like other ceramic coating products in this list, Sonax Propylene provides car paint protection and high gloss. While you can wash your car without hassles, applying ceramic from Sonax is convenient. As one of the best products this 2021, Sonax Ceramic Coating is developed to protect your car's surface from UV rays, acid rain, and other damaging sources. The shine and protection are available in the Sonax paint sealant. This protective coating product is a great solution to give your vehicle a super hydrophobic surface to resist bird droppings, dirt, and water spots. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 5. NAZIR ZR53 Love and Protect. As a good addition to your car care, NAZIR ZR53 is a dual-layer product. It is not only soft at the bottom, but also hard on top, leveling up your car's paint. NAZIR ZR53 can protect your car without compromising its elasticity and flexibility. Considered a versatile product, it can keep your car in top shape. You can use this best coating on your plastic trim, bumper, and highlights. The hydrophobic effect can avoid water spots, dust, dirt, and other contaminants. NAZIR ZR53 is available with 9H hardness, protecting your car's surface for 3 years. One of the major concerns for vehicle owners is the application of the ceramic coating. Level up your experience with NAZIR ZR53 today. This saves your time and reduces any trouble. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Ethos Ceramic Wax. A top-coat ceramic that's available at a competitive rate? Your long wait is over with Ethos Ceramic Wax. Apart from the fair and reasonable price, Ethos Ceramic Car Wax gives a shiny and sleek finish that can handle the water. There's no prior experience or knowledge required. There's also no rule to follow. Ethos Ceramic Car Wax is easy to use. It is not only water repellent, but also non-stick, leading to hassle-free maintenance. Ethos Ceramic Wax can compete with other cars' ceramic paint coatings in terms of flexibility. You can use it on fiberglass, windows, motorcycles, and stainless steel. However, the ceramic coating can last for 1 year or less depending on how you use your vehicle. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Ethos Ceramic Paint Coating. This CMX ceramic spray coating is a feature-packed alternative. Designed to hold up against the elements a vehicle may encounter along the road, Ethos ceramic paint coating should be on top of your mind. As one of the slickest formulas, this professional ceramic coating guarantees shiny and a premium form of protection. Ethos ceramic coating is not only long-lasting but also durable. Customers love this ceramic coating for cars as there's no prior experience or knowledge required. Called a DIY kit, Ethos ceramic coating is fun and easy to apply to your vehicle. Every package is available with an instruction manual that you can read and scan to avoid any confusion. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Miglee or Strata Coating. Miglee or Strata Coating is another trusted name in the industry. As a high-grade nano-ceramic coating, Miglee or Strata provides a glossy paint that can last for a year or more. Ideal for a car that's driven in sand and snow, this DIY ceramic coating is a good investment for all vehicle owners. Made in the USA, Miglee's formula is easy to apply. All you have to do is to wipe on, wipe off and bluff. That's it. There's nothing complicated to follow. Compared to products that cause damage and streaking, Miglee or Strata features a high gloss and durable finish. Having a high-content ceramic formula, Miglee offers paramount water beading. It also reduces static attraction, prevents road dust from sticking to the paint, and gets rid of other types of dirt. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Color and Drive Ceramic Coating Kit. Another best ceramic coating is Color and Drive Ceramic Coating Kit. From outstanding shine, great price, ease of application to excellent results, Color and Drive has them all. You can apply it to your vehicle with convenience while enjoying its long-lasting luster and protection. Color and Drive ceramic coating consists of top-grade and high-quality materials under a standardized environment. Developed with nanobionic ceramic technology, Color and Drive features a superb self-cleaning capacity, helping you avoid unnecessary maintenance. Similar to Quartz Kit, Color and Drive provides exceptional hydrophobic coating properties, protecting your brand new vehicle against acidic rain and other damaging effects of the water. Color and Drive has also been creating a buzz in the market because of its 9H hardness. That means the ceramic coating can withstand scratching, maintaining the look and appeal of your vehicle. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 7 best ceramic coating for cars just for you.